Hello students, how are you two all? I hope all of you feel fit. Students, in this video we will discuss about chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter number 6 is India Wins Freedom. India Wins Freedom. Now let us talk about that. The Indian National Congress had achieved limited success during the early years of its freedom movement. The INC had achieved limited success during the early years of freedom movements. The early leaders of INC or Indian National Congress were known as moderate as they believed in pleading with the English government for reforms. Another group of leaders within the INC was formed who wanted to strongly oppose the English. They were called radicals. They were in favor of organizing strikes and boycotts. That means in INC or Indian National Congress, there are two types of groups. First one is moderate group, another one is radical group. In moderate group, people believed in pleased. Then another one is radical. They were in favor of organizing strikes and boycotts. Lala Lajpat Roy, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bipin Chandra Pal, popular as Lal Bal Pal, were the three popular radical leaders. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. It is popular slogan by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Let us talk about partition of Bengal. In 1905, the English wanted to make partition of Bengal with one part having large Hindu population and the other part with Muslim population. The British wanted to make partition of Bengal to divide the Hindus and Muslims from unitedly fighting against the British. People strongly opposed the partition of Bengal and it led to launch of Swadeshi movement and boycott movement. लोगों ने strongly opposed किया बंगाल विभाजन के लिए and it led to the launch of Swadeshi and boycott movement. Let us talk about Swadeshi and boycott movement. The meaning of Swadeshi is one's own country. People were forced to boycott all the foreign goods and use only the goods made in India. Swadeshi movement was started in popularize the use of Indian made goods so that Indian industries could prosper. Foreign goods were burned. Large number of women, students took part in Swadeshi and boycott movement. The movement was started in Bengal and spread across the country. The movement was started in Bengal and spread over the country. British government tried to suppress the movement. The movements were started in Bengal and spread across the country. The British government tried to suppress the movement. Let us talk about the revolutionaries. The young people from Bengal, Punjab and Maharashtra thought that the moderates and radicals could not achieve in driving out the British from India. They wanted to drive out the British from India by forceful methods, and they called themselves as revolutionaries. Arvindo Ghosh, Ajit Singh, Khudiram Bose and Veer Savarkar were few of the early revolutionaries. They killed some British officers also. Later, some of them were arrested and were hanged by the British government. Gandhiji leads the nation. Let us talk about that. In 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from the South Africa. In South Africa, he had protested against the receipt of the white rulers. Gandhiji protest was based on truth and non-violence. His way of protest was known as Satyagraha. After returning to India, Gandhiji travelled all over the country to understood the condition of the peoples in India. Gandhiji was shocked to see the poverty of people. He decided to fight not only against the British but also against the prevailing social conditions, especially the caste system in India. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, 10th April 1919, two national leaders were arrested in Punjab. On 13th April 1919, a public meeting was held at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar as a protest against the arrest of the leaders. General Dyer ordered the soldiers of the British Indian Army to fire rifles into the crowd of unarmed civilians. Hundreds of men, women and children were killed and thousands were injured. The whole country was shocked by the incident and there was whisper of protest all over. All the national leaders strongly protest against the cruel act of the British general. Let us talk about non-cooperation movement. In 1920, Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement. He told the people of India to disobey the laws in a peaceful way. But in Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, few people set fire to a police station and 22 policemen died in this incident. Gandhiji was against violence, so he withdrew the movement. Many leaders like Babu Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Sarojini Naidu, C. Rajgopalachari, Maulana Azad, Chittaranjan Das, Motilal Nehru and Jawaharlal Nehru actively participated in non-cooperation movement. Let us talk about Simon Commission. The law and order was gradually getting out of control in the country. कंट्री में लॉ और ऑर्डर धीरे धीरे आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो रहे थे. The British government decided to make some changes and appointed Simon Commission in India in 1928. The British government ने decide करा to make some changes, कुछ changes country में होने चाहिए and appointed Simon Commission in India और उन्होंने इंडिया में Simon Commission को introduce किया, लाए. In 1928 में Simon Commission को इंडिया में लाए. The INC, Indian National Congress, decided to boycott the commission जो आईएनसी थी उसने बाइकॉट करा, उन्हें डिसाइड करा कि हम इस साइमन कमीशन का बाइकॉट करेंगे। एज देयर वेयर नो इंडियन मेंबर्स इन द कमीशन। क्यों? क्योंकि इस कमेटी में, साइमन कमीशन में इंडियन मेंबर्स नहीं थे, इसीलिए आईएनसी के मेंबर्स ने डिसाइड किया कि हम इस कमीशन को बाइकॉट करेंगे। दे गेव द स्लोगन गो बैक साइमन टू बाइकॉट द कमीशन। उसी टाइम आईएनसी के लीडर्स ने एक स्लोगन दिया, गो बैक साइमन, साइमन वापस जाओ, टू बाइकॉट द कमीशन, और इस साइमन कमीशन का बाइकॉट किया। द न्यू ग्रुप ऑफ रेवोल्यूशनरीज लाइक भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, चंद्रशेखर आजाद एंड B.K. दत्त चैलेंज द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट। इस टाइम कई सारी नई रेवोल्यूशनरी आई, जैसे नए क्रांतिकारी आए, जैसे भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, चंद्रशेखर आजाद, B.K. दत्त, चैलेंज, इन सब ने चैलेंज करा ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को। So students, in this video it is enough to you. Meet you in the next video.